Welcome to Grand Hotel Pupp. The dream come true for everybody who loves to live a luxury lifestyle and feel like a royal family member. It is my absolutely most favorite hotel in the whole entire world. And I'm here to share with you today these incredible moments. Bought this beautiful cup. It's like a straw. You can drink all the waters that raise from the ground here. They are very healing, very good for you. Hello, my name is Christy and I am with my partner Michal in Karlovy Vary. Karlovy Vary is a spa city of Czech Republic. It has about 49,000 inhabitants. It's been named after Charles IV, the King of Bohemia, who founded the city. We're gonna walk around the main street today and show you hot springs. We have in total 13 hot springs and about 300 smaller springs around the area. Karlovy Vary is the largest spa complex in Europe. Karlovy Vary are most famous for water matone. It's a mineral water that comes from this region since 1873. Another famous beverage from Karlovy Vary is liquor Becherovka. The only alcohol that is good for you. And it's been produced in Karlovy Vary since 1807. The mineral water is open to public in 14 springs. And what are the indications that you need spa treatment in Karlovy Vary? It might be diseases of the digestive system, metabolic disorders, diseases of the musculoskeletal system, or any dental diseases.
Tastes like, don't know, metal.
Vřídlo is the official name of the largest spring of thermal water in Karlovy Vary. Its temperature is 73 Celsius. It's the warmest thermal spring in Czech Republic. And when it comes to sweets, you have to try karlovarské oplatky. What is the waffles that you can buy, neither cold or warm. How is it?
Zimne.
What is that?
Cold.
Ah. In the hotel you can choose from 2 receptions and 2 restaurants for breakfast. The breakfast is very rich and beautiful, and they even serve you with a glass of champagne. The champagne is also complimentary, what is unusual in luxury hotels. I was so excited that I will be staying at my favorite hotel, but when we came to the reception, they told us that they will take us to another building that is across the bridge where we're gonna be staying. It was the Quinoa Palace, and it was part of the Pupp since about a year ago, but we didn't know that, and we didn't recognize on our email that there is in small writing that we will be in a different building. We were very disappointed. But now, without further ado, let's get ready for my engagement dinner.
I used to get sad, let you get under my skin, but I guess I kinda grew out of dancing around it. Closed my door so you can't get in, doing better than I've ever been. I'm putting on my makeup, taking another shot of all the good stuff, shining when I wake up. I know you're talking, forgetting you like nobody is watching. Good at moving on, yeah.
Lobster creams. Smells
Smells amazing.
Wish you bon appetit.
Thank you very much.
You're
Cream.
Smells really good.
Very beautiful.
Thank you very much. Sexy one material.
Hey!
Hello.
Charming.
weiß ich nicht, ob diese Möglichkeit
Bis wann kann es so sein, dass das Freiburg an dem Tag
Also ich schätze nicht löse keine Woche.
Yeah.
und dann, also letztes Wochenende.
Also Männer drauf, es müssen auch Männer drauf.
Wow, looks good.
Wochenende.
Except small inconvenience, walking through the bridge for breakfast, we fell in love with our room. It was absolutely gorgeous and it holded a little benefit that wasn't in the actual poop rooms. What it is, I will show you at the end of the video. We also had fun in the gym provided by Pupp and a beautiful pool with a lot of entertaining bubbles and waterfalls and the little corners with the spa that gives you a little bit of privacy was brilliant. And now let's get back to the special thing that we enjoyed the most in our room. Check it out, guys.